go, there it is. Oh my gosh, looks like Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller is gonna save the Christmas once again. Hi, my name is Eric, and today we are installing the Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller to this Chevy Silverado. If your car feels more like Silent Night than Jingle Bell Rock, this install is definitely for you. Super easy, no cutting, no splicing, just simple plug and play, and your sleigh is ready to drive. Before we get started, we want to make sure the car is ready for the acceleration pedal plug to be disconnected, so the car needs to be asleep. So if you just came from a drive, go ahead and just lock your car and unlock it. That will put your car to sleep. Otherwise, you can also just keep your driver's side door open and take the key fob where the car cannot detect it. Wait about 10 minutes and that will also ready the car as well. So once you do that, we're gonna step inside the car. And while we're stepping inside the car, let me show you what's inside this beautiful looking box here that hopefully you'll get for your Christmas gift. You'll find the kit here with the module already attached to the harness. These are the plug and play harness. One side goes to the acceleration pedal. The other side goes to the original connector that connected to the acceleration pedal. And we also have this switch here. It illuminates in many different colors, not just Christmas colors, but also other colors as well. And it'll tell you exactly what mode you are in. So whether you want a little bit more acceleration, you're gonna put your car into valet mode, or if you want to lock out your acceleration to make it immobilized so that thieves cannot steal it, all the functions are inside here and also on our very powerful app that you can use, compatible with both Android and iOS. We're gonna go down here, locate your acceleration pedal. It's the one all the way to the right side. I hope you know that. To this assembly up here, and you'll find a connector sitting right above here. And on this connector, there is a little red latch. Go ahead and just push it up like so. And right under it, there's a little push tab, release tab. Push in with your finger and just pull straight up and then it'll come right out. Just like so. Very easy. And go back to the harness that we have. Got our plug and play harness right here. And on one side, we'll connect to the car's harness, like so. And lock this in. And we'll take the other side and connect it back to its original location, right behind the acceleration pedal. Click it in and clip the locking mechanism, and then take the button here and let's connect this right here. And you can tuck this in to the side right here. You can use some zip ties that is supplied with our kit. Clean it up and route the button and you are done. Just grab the button and find a good location for it. So we're gonna place it under the dash and catch it with our left hand right under the steering wheel. I'm gonna go around and I think this place is really good. This is double-sided tape here. Make sure the surface is clean. Use some alcohol wipe, dry it, and peel the double-sided tape. And you can easily push it in, push in the button right here. Either there, you can put it up there, or so forth, like that. That is a perfect place to mount it. But for this demonstration, let me just let it hang and let me show you what this is capable of. All right, so once everything is installed, go ahead and turn on your engine. Get ready to have fun with this sleigh. All right, so clear, white means it's off. You press it once, and that's our Christmas tree color. Green, that's dynamic. Press it another time, it's yellow. Yellow signifies the bright, sunny California weather that we've been having. And also go to orange. So yellow is sport, go orange is super sport. Super sport orange is just like the California sunset that we get over here. Very beautiful. Press it another time, you get red. Red is a little bit aggressive, it's the race mode. You probably never want to race with this car, but just in case you need it, it's there. So let's go back to the factory setting and let's go for a drive. And let's feel how sluggish the factory acceleration is, because with the sluggish accelerator, it's gonna be tough delivering all the Christmas gifts from Santa, right? So hopefully Santa has one of our Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller. This is gonna be so corny. All right, here we go, and my gosh, I mean, look, check this out. I press on the gas and then it goes. press on the gas, and then it goes. Like, I don't know how you'll be able to deliver all the gifts to all the homes. It's just so laggy. So let's give a little boost, some Christmas vibe here. Wow, right away. Here we go. Oh, wow. I could hear the turbo spooling too. Was not able to hear the turbo before, but now the turbo is like kicking in faster. Just FYI, this is not a turbo boost controller, but I mean, the turbo's kicking in harder. That's for a fact. You want a little bit more? Go to yellow. It's sport mode. California sunshine. Wow. A little bit more boost. Feels really, really nice. This car actually feels really good at sport. Usually we recommend the dynamic mode, which is green, the Christmas tree. That one is sufficient for your daily driver, but for this truck, for some reason, I think it's very happy in being in sport mode. And just as a side note, this device here is also compatible with all the other Silverado trim, a lot of other cars. We have over 5,000 applications with these plug-and-play throttle controllers. And that comes from Toyotas, Hondas, Chevy, Ram, we have Acura, Mercedes, BMW, the list goes on. So, and we're gonna try the race mode. The race mode is when you're running out of time, it's about to hit sunrise, and Santa's not done delivering all the gifts. Gotta put it into overdrive, gotta put it into race mode. Let's see how much faster we could get this sleigh moving. All right, here we go. We are on sport mode, and we're about to run out of time, and we're gonna jump into race mode. Push the button twice more, and there it is, red, and we are ready to go. Wow, there it is. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that is so fast. I think we can deliver all the gifts on time now. Looks like Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller is gonna save the Christmas once again. All the different modes, pretty amazing, and this all just gives you a lot more throttle response compared to factory. And for large cars like this, it makes a huge difference because the car is just so heavy, right? And you lose a lot of that initial throttle, and there's this, I don't know what you want to call this, but this delay where you press an acceleration pedal and then the car just doesn't go for like for a split second, and that could bother you a lot. And this gets rid of all that. And not only do you get additional acceleration response, as I mentioned earlier, you also get valet mode. So when you're valeting your car, they won't be able to spin out, go for a joyride, or just floor your car. Our device won't let them. And on top of that, we also have function where it locks your throttle so that any thieves that goes in, hot wires your car, or somehow turns on the engine, they won't be able to drive off with it. Your car's gonna be stuck with a dead pedal, and that will save your car from getting stolen. If you wanna save gas, you have horrible gas mileage, and you wanna save some money so that you have extra funds to buy people gifts, then there you go. Press on eco mode, save a few MPGs, and now you'll have some extra dollars in your pocket. All right guys, if you guys are ready to make your car faster than holiday shipping, now's your chance. Available online, in stock, ready to purchase at bsonicusa.com. Let's go ahead and share the holiday cheer. Install this in your car, and let's help Santa deliver all his gifts and make sure you're not late at your holiday parties and events. As always, don't forget to subscribe and give us that like. See you guys on the next video.